Two men killed, another injured in Manchester gun attack. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The Area 3 Major Investigation Division have launched a probe into the shooting of three men, two fatally, in Bottom Albion, Manchester last night. Those killed have not yet been identified. The other man remains in hospital. It's reported that at around 9:10 p.m. explosions were heard in the vicinity of a school and the police were called. The Mandeville police responded. The three men were found suffering from what appears to be gunshot wounds. The two unidentified men were pronounced dead while the other victim was taken to hospital where he was admitted. No motive has yet been established by the police for the shooting. The police investigation continues.